Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and in this video I'd like to show you Canva's newest tool, or a template if you'd like, the whiteboards. Let's see exactly what it does. You don't need a pro account for this. This is free for all users. So to start from, you go to the home page and click on whiteboards. You'll find different kinds of templates here. So you have brainstorm whiteboard, flowchart, team, planning, and you can do so many more things like mood board, family trees. Let's go ahead and see how we do this. So I've opened up this template, and as you can see, it looks a little bit different. I have this white canvas with these little gray dots. On the left, you'll see different types of templates. Let's pick one, just a random one. I can demonstrate how it works. So I picked this one. I can stretch it and zoom in, zoom out this way, or I can just use the zoom in, zoom out that I have at the bottom of my screen. Now I can edit this just as I would edit anything in Canva, but the beauty of it is that I can add another template to it, and it will be added next to it, above it. I can place it anywhere. It will not replace the current template. See? It was just added here. I can also add a template of my own, things that I've uploaded into Canva, and add it to my whiteboard. Change the size, place it wherever you like. You can also add photos. Let's just play around with this a little. See, nothing is replaced, and I can decide exactly where to place everything. I also have under elements some special elements for whiteboard. I have the sticky notes, and I can add a sticky note for myself or for my team members. You can resize this and automatically type in anything you'd like. It would be a little small as a default. You'll just have to resize the text. You also have these whiteboard graphics, just fun stickers that you can use if you're adding a member. Now, if you add another member to collaborate in real time, and you do know that you can collaborate up to 50 people on one design, then you can use the stickers. If you like someone's idea, just place a heart sticker or a fire sticker if you're really thrilled about it. So this is really a fun board that you can do some brainstorm with your team members. You also have a timer at the bottom left. You can adjust the timer on or off. Now it has a cute sound when it comes to the end. Let's test this out. Great. Now, if you'd like to share this as a presentation, you can also do that. Just go to the Present button and present your whiteboard. Now, one other thing that's really cool about this is that you can take any presentation that you did and convert it to a whiteboard. As you can see, I've opened here a presentation. It looks just as we already know, but if you right-click your mouse, you have the option to expand to whiteboard, and this is the difference. Let me just undo and redo so you see the exact difference. When I undo this, you see the regular canvas with a gray background, but when I change this to a whiteboard, it's all white. You don't have the gray borders. As I've shown you before, I can add a photo, and it will not replace my template, but will be added next to it, on top of it, behind it, below it, wherever you decide. Now let's go back to the last thing I want to show you about whiteboards, and that is that you can select and download a selection of your whiteboard. You don't have to download everything as it is. For example, if I just group this part of my whiteboard, I just go to Share and download the selection. I also have a video dedicated only for that on my YouTube channel. And that's it. This is how you use the whiteboard. Let me know in the comments below how you've used the whiteboard. And although you do not need a pro account, I'm happy to give you 45 days for free to try out Canva Pro. You'll find a link in the comments below. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.